Oops. Shit. Here we go. Alrighty, YouTube, just to prove that this harness still works and everything after I ripped it completely apart, we got her all wired up temporarily. Jason's here to help me keep the beast from running around the garage. We're going to give her a quick fire. Throw some earplugs in. She's fixing to get loud. Probably throw some safety squints on just in case here. Always wear proper protection. Hook everything up to positive. That's a fuel pump. We don't need that yet. Hot's hooked up.
Yep, I felt the throttle plate.
Huh?
I felt the throttle plate.
Still moving?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
And contact. Shit, we lost the coil. Inject. Too much to hold in one spot.
Might have a bad coil or something, but
That's hitting on all four. Oh shit, we're cooking fucking Martin harness over here. Woo W.
in front of the port. I made sure all those are on.
Are them on over there? Could be because they got the math hooked up.
Possible.
Huh?
Possible. What's this plug for?
O2s.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Of course, we ain't got the best grounds hooked up right now either. Could be flooding out. There's no fuel pressure regulator on there. I'm firing on all four.
I got all four.
Alrighty. That's all we needed. I wonder how loud that actually is. Alrighty.